In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize charts on Tradingview. If you've ever felt like your chart looks too squished or too zoomed in, learning how to resize it properly makes analysis much easier. We'll keep things simple and stick to Tradingview's built-in controls so you can quickly adjust what you see without changing your layout. First, open your web browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use any modern browser. Once the site loads, you'll want to view a price chart so you can make the adjustments. If you're browsing markets, select the stocks category and pick any symbol you'd like to work with. Then open the full chart view so you're looking at the main charting interface with candles, indicators, and the axes visible. Now let's set up for resizing. Move your mouse to the bottom edge of the chart where the time axis runs from left to right, or to the right edge of the chart where the price axis is shown. You don't need to click anything yet, just hover. The bottom edge controls how much history you can see at once, and the right edge controls how stretched or compressed the price scale appears. It helps to picture the bottom as your timeline and the right side as your price range. With your cursor hovering over the bottom timeline, roll your mouse wheel up to zoom in and down to zoom out. Zooming in shows fewer candles with more detail, which is helpful for fine-tuning entries and exits. Zooming out lets you see broader trends across weeks or months. If you hover over the right price axis instead and use the mouse wheel, you'll change how tall or tight the price scale looks. Scrolling up typically compresses the price range to show more of it at once, while scrolling down expands the range so price movements look larger and easier to study. A few quick tips make this feel smoother. Make small scroll movements rather than big spins. You'll get more control. Keep your cursor directly over the axis you want to adjust. Time on the bottom, price on the right, so Tradingview knows exactly what you're resizing. If you're on a trackpad, a gentle two-finger scroll works the same way. And if the chart ends up too stretched or too tight, just reverse your scroll to fine-tune it. That's all you need to resize your Tradingview charts quickly and confidently. Head to tradingview.com, open the full chart for a stock, hover over the bottom or right edge, and use your mouse wheel to dial in the perfect view. Happy charting, and I'll see you in the next one.